Muhammad from Malaysia.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
I want to ask regarding the Dhikr after Salah. Like some says that you can't move or talk to anyone doing it, but there's also some that says like recite it after the end of obligatory prayers. So does this mean that both you can't move, or is it only the one that says it?
The hadith that says that you do not move refers to being rewarded as if you're still continuing to pray. So while I'm praying 4 rak'ahs, I am being registered at the sight of Allah that I am offering a fard prayer. I have this much reward, and the meter is ongoing. When I make salam, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, assalamu alaikum, and I'm still sitting in my position, the meter is still going. I am in salat. So if I stay there for half an hour, I would have been registered and credited for half an hour of salah, though I'm just sitting, maybe scrolling my mobile, maybe just sitting, but I'll be rewarded. If I move, the meter stops. But the dhikr you do, whether sitting or standing or leaving the masjid going home, is still valid and accepted. Arafat from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, I'm poor and my in-laws are very rich. Before my marriage, they accepted my financial condition, but after the marriage, they started to influence my wife to become separate from my parents. My parents are old and they need my help, but my in-laws are now pressuring my wife, and my wife is pressuring me to be separate from my parents and only send money. But I want to help my parents. What can I do to balance both?
If she agreed before the marriage to live in your parents' house or to live in a joint family, knowing your condition, knowing that you're unable to provide her with a separate accommodation, and you're still unable to provide her with a separate accommodation, she has the right to file for khul'. She has the right to give you back your dowry and bail out. You take the money and set her free. Let her go to her parents' house and live happily ever after if she wishes. We can't force people to live against their will or to live under conditions that Islam granted them the right to demand. Islam granted every woman, every wife, the right to have her own separate accommodation. Now, throughout these years, if the man was unable to convince his wife to fall in love with him and to cherish him, to respect him, and to go into storms like this through life happily, if he was unable to get this into her, then she has all the right to leave, and may Allah substitute you with a better wife, a younger wife, a more beautiful wife, someone who is willing gladly to live with your parents and serve them, because she knows that it's only a matter of time, then she would be the queen of the house, and Allah knows best.